If your makeup has been looking like this, it's been separating, looking dry and flaky, keep watching. I'm going to tell you exactly what to do to fix this. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Sajmak. I'm a pro makeup artist in film and television, and that means that when I'm doing makeup on an actor, it's going to be close up. It's going to be in 4K, 8K, 10K HD, and we cannot have that type of separation in our makeup. So what could be the cause in your makeup separating? Is it silicone-based products versus water-based products? Or is it because you're actually playing chemist with your makeup routine? Our new makeup techniques have us mixing formulas together without even realizing, and you are interfering with the stability of your formulations. Makeup products are designed to be layered on the skin and to sit within layers, one on top of each other. Obviously, the thinner layers that you make, the more natural, the more realistic, the more skin-like it's going to look. If you're on any type of social media platform, you are seeing makeup tutorials that begin a little something like this, and then we add a little more product. We're adding a lot of pink, and then we get our foundation, and then we start mixing everything together. You're making cake batter on your face. Stop. Instead of mixing up a nice cake batter, let's go back to layers. I have layered foundation, I have layered corrector, I have layered concealer, and then a little more foundation because I needed a little more help under my eyes. And then the final layer is going to be my powder. While this may not be the only cause of separation in your makeup, it is going to be a big one because essentially mixing up that cake batter, as I said, you are going to break down the stability of each formulation that you're placing on your skin, which is going to lead to it falling apart and stressing out and separating. And going back to the non-exciting technique of doing layer by layer, your makeup formulations are going to stay intact. They're going to layer and sit on top of one another as intended, and your makeup should wear perfectly fine throughout the day. I hope this helps.